What is acid rain? Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. Acid rain is a type of acid deposition, which can appear in many forms. Wet deposition is rain that has become more acidic than normal. Acid deposition in dry form can be inhaled by people and can cause health problems in some people. Sources of acid rain. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides dissolve very easily in water and can be carried very far by the wind. As a result, the two compounds can travel long distances. They become part of the rain and fog that we experience on certain days. Why is acid rain harmful? Air pollution like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can cause respiratory diseases, or can make these diseases worse. The pollution can also create tiny particles. When these particles get into people's lungs, they can cause health problems or getting worse. Acid rain can be extremely harmful to forests. These can dissolve nutrients, such as magnesium and calcium, that trees need to be healthy. This loss of nutrients makes it easier for infections, insects, and cold weather to damage trees and forests. What is being done? EPA's acid rain program. Congress passed a law called the Clean Air Act Amendments of 1990, and this law said that EPA should start the acid rain program. The program limits the amount of sulfur dioxide that power plants can release into the air and to cover their sulfur dioxide emissions. Other sources of energy. To reduce acid rain is to produce energy without using fossil fuels. People can use renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. Renewable energy sources help reduce acid rain because they produce much less pollution. What is smog? Smog is basically derived from the merging of two words, smoke and fog. Smog, which occurs mainly because of air pollution, can also be defined as a mixture of various gases with dust and water vapor. How smog is formed. The atmospheric pollutants or gases that form smog are released in the air when fuels are burned. When sunlight and its heat react with these gases and fine particles in the atmosphere, smog is formed. The main sources of these precursors are gasoline and diesel-run vehicles, industrial plants, and heating due to human activities. Devastating effects of smog. Smog is harmful and it is evident from the components that form it and effects that can happen from it. Many people deaths were recorded, notably, those relating to bronchial diseases. Smog can be responsible for any ailment from minor pains to deadly pulmonary diseases such as lung cancer. Other issues or illnesses such as cold and pneumonia are also related to smog. Summary. As a result, acid rain and haze are very dangerous to life on this earth. People should take the initiative to minimize this problem in any way that the living can carry out activities safely and far from disease.